Beware, one bad tip from social media could leave you with a $5,000 penalty from the IRS. That's right. According to a recent warning by the IRS, a flood of misleading tax advice spreading across popular platforms could cost taxpayers far more than they bargained for. The agency has identified a sharp increase in inaccurate online posts, encouraging filers to claim tax credits that simply aren't available to them. Since 2022, Americans have collectively faced more than $162 million in fines for falling for these misrepresentations. And experts say the situation is only getting more severe. But here's where it gets controversial. Many of these viral posts promote the misuse of specific tax credits, like the fuel tax credit and the sick and family leave credit, leading to a wave of frivolous and wildly inaccurate returns. The IRS says these credits are designed with strict eligibility requirements, typically applying only to the self-employed or businesses, not every taxpayer. Yet, false claims online suggest anyone can qualify, fueling hope for larger refunds that never materialize. These schemes are more than just misleading. They're financially dangerous, warns James Clifford, Director of Return Integrity and Compliance Services at the IRS. By trusting this advice, you're risking not just a denied refund, but hefty penalties up to $5,000, plus any other fines that might apply. As of the IRS's latest count, thousands of penalties have already been issued, hitting more than 32,000 taxpayers for over $162 million. And this is the part most people miss. The patterns are obvious once you know what to look for. Any social post claiming you automatically qualify for a tax credit, especially one offering a fast refund with barely any paperwork, should immediately raise a red flag. Common tactics include urging taxpayers to file amended returns for credits they never qualified for in the first place, or even suggesting you ignore official IRS letters, or worse, respond with inaccurate information. If you've accidentally fallen for one of these scams and submitted a false return, don't panic, but do act fast. File an amended return right away using Form 1040X, the official method for correcting mistakes. Never delay responding to any IRS letters or notices you receive. And when in doubt, turn to a trustworthy tax professional or consult the official IRS website for guidance. Here's a question for you. Should the IRS do more to regulate viral tax advice on social networks? Or should taxpayers be expected to verify the information themselves? Is it fair to hit everyday people with such steep penalties for a mistake made while following what they thought was good advice? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you've seen any questionable tips floating around lately, share your story. For further tips on protecting yourself from tax scams and how to recognize warning signs, visit the official IRS website or speak with a professional you trust. And remember, when it comes to your finances, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is.